For Lenovo ThinkStation P330 tower users looking to boost performance, the ATEC 32GB, 2x16GB, DDR4 2666 MHz RAM kit is a solid upgrade option. This kit is specifically designed for compatibility with the ThinkStation P330 tower, ensuring a smooth installation process. The kit includes two 16GB DDR4 DMM modules, operating at a speed of 2666 MHz, PC4-21300. This speed is a sweet spot for many systems, providing a noticeable improvement in responsiveness and multitasking capabilities. The memory is non-ECC unbuffered, which is standard for desktop systems and helps keep the cost down. It adheres to the JEDEC DDR4 standard, operating at a voltage of 1.2 V. This lower voltage not only helps in reducing power consumption, but also keeps the modules running cooler. Installing this ATEC memory kit is straightforward. The modules are designed for easy installation, and most users should be able to complete the upgrade at home without any special tools or expertise. Just refer to the ThinkStation P330 Tower's manual for the correct memory slots and installation procedure. With 32 GB of RAM, the ThinkStation P330 Tower will experience a significant performance boost. Users can expect smoother multitasking, faster application loading times, and improved overall system responsiveness. This upgrade is particularly beneficial for professionals who work with large data sets, run memory-intensive applications, or frequently engage in content creation tasks. ATEC puts its memory modules through rigorous testing to ensure reliability and performance. This commitment to quality provides peace of mind, knowing that the memory will perform as expected. The kit is also backed by ATEC's limited lifetime warranty, and their tech support team is available to assist with any questions or issues. This level of support is a valuable asset, especially for users who are not experienced with hardware upgrades.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.